Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Didi. Today I would like to share another salad recipe with you guys. And today's salad is crispy chicken salad. And to do that, we have seasoned chicken breast, some breadcrumbs which has some seasoning in it, some egg wash, bacon, cheese, boiled eggs, tomatoes, sweet corn, carrots, cucumbers, some onions which were sliced and in some apple cider vinegar, and some lettuce. Full ingredients is in the description box as always. So to do our chicken, I dipped the seasoned chicken in some egg wash, coated both sides, and then into our breadcrumbs mixture. You need to make sure that your chicken has all the breadcrumbs coating on it because that's what gives us the crispy chicken that we are looking for. And then after that, we put it in the oil and fry it. I fried my chicken breast in twos just because I wanted them to take it, I wanted the chicken to take its time to cook. And after a while, I turned it, after 5 minutes or so, I flipped it to the other side and took it out once it was nice and brown, just like this. Then once it cooled down a little bit, I sliced it into strips or whatever it is you guys would like to call it, just like this. And now we are ready to mix all our salad ingredients together. So we have all that we need in the bowl, just like this. And now it's time to mix, just like this. Then when everything is well mixed together, we are going to get started on our salad dressing. To do my salad dressing today, I will use mayo, some Dijon mustard, some honey, some apple cider vinegar, some parsley, a little bit of salt and pepper. Mix it all together, and if you want a thinner salad dressing, just add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water, and it will be as thin as you want. And there you have it. I've had my salads in bowls because I keep serving them to people. And you see me putting some salad dressing on this because this was mine and I was going to eat it somewhere, so I needed it on top. For me, it's a personal preference. So I hope you guys get to try this recipe and let me know how you enjoyed it, because I know I did, and so did the people I served it to. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, it's bye.